If you ever find Google Calendar alerts distracting, or maybe you're missing important reminders, this video is going to help you fix that in just a few steps. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off Google Calendar notifications, so you can control exactly how and when you get alerts. Whether you want fewer pop-ups, stronger reminders, or a cleaner calendar experience, this is a simple setting that can make a big difference. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important because notification settings are tied to the calendar account you're currently using. Once Google Calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where most calendar preferences are managed. After clicking the gear icon, choose Settings from the menu. This will take you into the full Google Calendar settings page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories under General. Scroll through that left-hand menu until you find Notification Settings, then click it. This section controls how notifications appear and what type of alerts you receive from Google Calendar. Now you'll see a Notifications drop-down menu. Here, you can turn notifications on or off, or choose the alert style that works best for you. If you want fewer interruptions, you can reduce notifications or disable them. If you prefer to stay fully updated, you can leave them on and select the alert options that fit your workflow. Take a moment to review the available choices so you can set things exactly the way you want. The good news is that Google Calendar saves your changes automatically, so you do not need to click a separate save button. Once you make your selection, the setting is applied right away. That means you can go back to your calendar and continue using it with your new notification preferences in place. And that's all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you've learned how to turn Google Calendar notifications on or off and customize your alerts for a better calendar experience. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Google Calendar tutorials and helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.